Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ke Race North East kadai ke projek kebelas dang haus nam ahajar khandreu ban penya chakmat yaki kam ki bedai bat ke skim Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan kaba yatrelang bat ki khatsan tali ki kenhon na ki santali ki jilla jongani kathan chite lamingi bakan thop ya ke jilla Assam, Tripura, Nagaland, Manipur bat kini ke jilla Meghalaya ki ban yatrelang bat ke SSA ban poi shakathong kata ban pedrong haki nyup santali ki skol SSA ya kata ke inclusive hapo jong snam ahajar arpo kajingmot jok kantin inclusive kalang bakindai ki skol ki baki khna pule kini khlelang hapadang kito ki badan jingduna haki dikhotmat bat ki weipan shibanta na kajingmat phrang halor kani kathong hanne kasngi ka arpoi trek ulber lasdang ye kini kajing wer pajba bat ban pharu ye kini khobor chiki bor sarkar badikmi lasdang ye kini napo Jyotish Road School kabran napo lai mkhra Shillong da ka bapalong ye kajelang kabra tep kumka ring the bell hakani ke jelang nolol ki khna jongani ke skol lai shimantaru de ki wei de ki kinhon jongka imlang salang rengkat u executive director jongka Bethany Society u Karmo Narona ba la penberngai ki khna jongani ke skol da ka jingruai bakarpang na wei ni ki RJ jongka radio Mirchi FM u Gordon Thaba
to be in the school or who are not enrolled in the mainstream school. So this is one of the ways where we can make noise and say to our policy makers that please look into the policy and do modify or change the system where children with all special needs be included in every mainstream school. So I'm sure all of you are ready with your bells, drums, anything that will make noise? Yes? So in the count of 1, 2, 3, and I say we ring the bell, so let's hear some noises. So 1, 2, 3, we ring the bell! Come on, ring the bell!
Proud of your boy, I'll make you proud of your boy. Believe me, bad as I've been, ma, you're in for a pleasant surprise. I've wasted time, I've wasted me. So say I'm slow for my age, a late bloomer. Okay, I agree that I've been one rotten kid. Some sun, some pride and some joy. But I'll get over these lousing up, messing up, screwing up times. Tell me that I've been a louse and a loafer. You won't get a fight here, no ma'am. Say I'm a gold break, a goof of no good, but that couldn't be all that I am. Water flows under the bridge, let it pass, let it go. There's no good reason that you should believe me, not yet. I know that someday you'll see I'll make you proud of your boy. Though I can't make myself taller or smarter or handsome or wise, I'll do my best. What else can I do? Since I wasn't born perfect like Dad or you. Mom, I will try hard to make you proud of your boy.
Kani kalong ke program bangin ai awareness om tangi ki patba what ya ki policy makers ru bakan so tho shai ba kadai ke inclusive society. Nomor bunsin ki khana ki badan jingduna hadu ke convent but ki weipat ki khana ki badai na ki vulnerable community bunsin ki sha bo long kum ki bo ya ki sha shajangai kim kenthop lang ya ki haka society juga jongi teknang bangin wanra ya kata ka jing ka inclusive society ka bangidon but bangin imlang haka wei ka community gi sapenlong ya kenika ring the bell campaign khnang ban kersil thya ya bar khat ki brio ka ki policy makers ki ni ki rangba shnong ki institutions but bar khat bangin im ka banlong ka wei